What's going on, everybody? It's J. Roy again. Just got done at the fire department. About to head up to Montreal for the weekend. First, wanted to get you this video of the jet boat in New Zealand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that stuff. J-Roy Video and J-Roy USA on Instagram. That's it.